What's up, guys? This is Luke for LNZ Fitness, bringing you a brand new video. And in today's video, I'm going to show you some equipment you should try in your home gym. And this will be part 2 in the series. Hope you guys enjoy. I can't believe it. I've been working out for so long, and that guy had to tell me how small my forearms are. You know what? I feel like there's a way I can make this happen. Watch me. If I do this for 10 days straight, 24/7, I'll show that guy how to get big forearms. Just watch. So it hasn't been 10 days yet, but don't worry, the forearms will be there for you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed that skit. I actually had a good time making that. But before we get into the video, we know the drill. I need to talk about a couple things. And one of these things is legit. And I'll get to that in a second. Make sure you check out my latest video where I talk about 5 things to think about before you start a home gym and if it's worth it to you. I'll put the link in the description. I'll put it up here as well. Smash the like button. Check it out. Show the love, baby. The big news, Titan Fitness accepted my application, baby. And now I'm an affiliate of them. So all you guys have to do for me is use a link in the description when you buy from Titan Fitness, and you're gonna help the channel by supporting it and helping me buy more equipment through Titan to help make reviews, tips, tricks, all of that. So I do me a huge favor. They actually have a Labor Day sale as well. Use that link anytime you shop Titan Fitness. It really will support the channel. And don't forget to check out all my other affiliates. I have Amazon, I have a code with Liquid IV, and the Barbell Jack. I'll put all that in the description as well. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this equipment type of video. Before I show you guys the 5 things to try in your home gym, make sure you check out my part 1 of this. I'll put the link in the description. I'll put some link up here for you guys as well. Check out all the pieces of equipment that I showed you guys in that video. And then here, again, I'm gonna show you 5 things. And the first thing I wanna show you guys is over here. If you watch the skit, okay, I have a DIY wrist curler. It's actually a PVC pipe that was, the hole is drilled here. We bought it here, that's 2 inches. It fits on the Olympic bar. And then there's just a hole right here where you would put in your string and then you would roll it, obviously roll it up. I got a 10-pound weight on this. And then don't forget to do your negatives. I made the mistake of not doing that. And then doing your negatives. It's for 1 rep. I usually like to do like 10 of those towards the end of every workout, and my forearms are on fire. Now, if you don't want to get the DIY version and make it yourself, Amazon sells them. I'll show you one right here that you could check out from Amazon for a cheap price. They're everywhere, and I highly suggest them to build your forearms as a great finisher in your guys' routines. Oh, I didn't see you guys down there. So the next thing I have here is a step up. And coincidentally enough, Titan has free points when you buy from them. And I got this with the free points. And this thing has been a game changer. I love to use it with preferably, calf raises. I also like to do them, you can do lunges off of them. I like to do Nordic hamstring curls where you attach your feet underneath, which real quick, I have a clip of that right here for my Instagram. If you guys want to check that out. I did that with the bar, but it works the same way if you slide your feet underneath it. Usually add a little bit of weight on top. But a step up, you can do your traditional step ups. There's loads of exercises you can do with it. And I think Titan sells this for a cheap price if you're not using points. And I probably use it 2 to 3 times a week. It's a great piece to have in your guys' home gym. So the third thing you guys should try out in your home gym, this is more something I like to do for HIIT training, so high intensity interval training. It's usually something I like to do if I like to do like a full body. I like to throw this in towards the end or in a superset, is a battle rope. So it's actually coincidentally enough, a little DIY. We had a hose. We ended up putting it around the hose right here, and it works out perfect. And what I usually do is, I can show you guys a clip right here for my Instagram again. I like to set it up in the driveway, and I've done where I do 3 different exercises, and the battle rope is the 3rd one, to get that heart rate up. And that's something I've been trying to work on more, is getting my heart rate up, and using the battle rope has definitely been huge for that. So if you were looking for one, Amazon, is a great one to find too. You know, Titan sells one too. Check out both those websites and try a battle rope in your guys' home gym. Ugh. So the next thing you should try in your home gym is a trap bar. And I know what you're thinking. Luke, we know what a trap bar is. Or actually, you might not know what it is. The reason why I'm bringing it up is because I've noticed how much I have been utilizing it in my own space. And I've talked to a couple friends, a couple people online where they like doing them, but they don't have one. So where I got mine was actually on Cap on Amazon. I'll plug that right here for you guys. I got it for an affordable price. The only thing I might ding on that is I don't want to get into that. In the future, I'll do a review of the trap bar for you guys to check out. But I've noticed compared to straight bar deadlift, it's worked my glutes more, and offense to me, my legs aren't very big and they need to grow. And I've noticed that doing this has helped grow my glutes and help my lower back. So a trap bar could be an essential thing to try out in your home gym if you guys haven't used one. And make sure also, shout out to my boy Gluck's Gym. He did one on the Titan trap bar. I'll plug his channel right here for you guys. Check him out. He does great home gym videos. A huge inspiration to me, actually. But regardless too, try the trap bar in your guys' home gym. And the last thing you should try in your home gym, and this is actually a very common thing, but I had no idea you could get this to attach to your rack. So if you have a squat rack out there, try this out. And what it is, it's just a dip attachment to your squat rack. When I was starting a home gym, if you guys watch my home gym mistakes, I'll put that video in the description for you guys and up here. I just got a regular dip station because that's all I saw in a commercial gym. I had zero clue that they sold this, attached this to a squat rack. So when I noticed that on Titan with my rack, I was drooling at the fact, I'm like, oh my, that is so nice. And it's space saving too. You can just take it off and I can lay it on just over here on the wall, and it's sturdy. It might wiggle a little bit, but when I hop on this thing, it's not going anywhere. And dips are such a huge thing. You know, it could work your chest, your triceps. It's a great exercise, and I have been nothing but loads with happy with this. And stay tuned in the future for a review of that. But if you have a squat rack and you can get a dip attachment, try it out. It is efficient, durable, and solid. Hope you guys enjoyed that part 2 of equipment you should try in your home gym. Might be things you already knew, things you didn't know. Check them out, guys. Utilize them in your home gym. Or if you have any other questions for me about things you want to try for your home gym, leave a comment below your thoughts. But yeah, stay tuned for part 3 in the future. As we save money, we're going to get more equipment so I can show you guys. Use that Titan link to help grow the channel. Use that link when you buy from Titan Fitness. Really helps me out. But yeah, smash that subscribe button, baby. We're at 640 subscribers. Road to 1,000, baby. By December, see if we can make it happen. We're going, baby. Keep growing. Come on. Smash that like button as well. See if we can also get 60 likes. Appreciate everyone smashing the like button, commenting, sharing, and let's grow the LMZ Fitness Garage Gym to the top, baby. To the top, baby. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned next Sunday for my next one about Titan Fitness. But yeah, this is LMZ Fitness. This is Luke. We'll see you guys later.